Yo, yo, alright, what up, guys? Crypto Jasper here. Just reading some crypto articles for you today. Just hanging out, having a good time. We're on Watcher News. Michael Grulin wrote these words. Ethereum-based Tornado Cash sanctioned by U.S. government has received a sanction on the United States Department of Treasury's specially designated nationals and blocked persons list. The sanction now prohibits U.S. investors from using the coin mixing services chain in illegal activity. According to the U.S. Department of Treasury, the action was put into effect on Monday. Coin mixers are used by companies to hide the origin of any particular transaction, with Ethereum-based Tornado Cash becoming extremely popular. Today, Treasury is sanctioning Tornado Cash, a virtual currency mixer that launders proceeds of cybercrimes, including those committed against victims. In the U.S., despite public assurances otherwise, Tornado Cash has repeatedly failed to impose effective controls designed to stop it from laundering funds for malicious cyber actors on a regular basis, and without basic measures to address its risks. Treasury will continue to aggressively pursue actions against mixers that launder virtual currency for criminals and those who assist them. Tornado Cash is the latest mixer to receive a sanction after Blender was sanctioned. North Korea used Blender to launder 500 mil, one stolen from Axie Infinity in the form of Ethereum. Tornado Cash sparked controversy after it announced it would use chain analysis to block addresses previously sanctioned. The protocol is popular among hackers looking to hide their tracks after a theft. Previously, Tornado Cash was used by the hackers who made away with 440 ETH from Bent Finance. Wow. That's wild. That's wild. Here's the tweet from Watcher Guru. Hell yeah, Watcher Guru is, man, it's my number one source, man. Awesome. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Ethereum-based Tornado Cash sanctioned by U.S. government. So that's what happens. Yeah, so they're hiding the origin of their particular transaction, with Ethereum-based Tornado Cash becoming extremely popular. Oh wow, okay, yeah, I see it. That's wild. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.